So I don't even know if this is a video I'm going to post at all, but I'm doing my makeup because I'm about to go to bottomless brunch with the girls. The first one in literally like over a year, like a year and a half. First bottomless brunch. I am so excited. But yeah, like I said, I don't even know if this is a video I'm going to post or not. But I thought I would film me doing my makeup. It could be like an actual real life get ready with me, because you're actually getting ready with me to go somewhere into the real world for the first time in a while. So I don't know if I'm going to be chit chatty or not. I've got music on in the background that I'm hoping you can't really hear, so that it doesn't get copyrighted if I post this. Let's just hope you can't hear it that clearly. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be chit chatty or not, but I am going to be doing my makeup. So enjoy. It may just have some chill music for you, something to relax to, type of thing. I know people enjoy watching people doing their makeup. I'm one of those people. I just love seeing the process. So if you're one of those people, this video is for you. Like I said, I probably won't be talking throughout. So I'll probably speak to you in however long it takes me to do my face.
It's like walking through the sky where the stars come and go. It's the light within my reach, not as distant as it seemed. Dreams are moments, night is long, yet we linger in the past. Tell me, do you feel the same? I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. The leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze,
up, same thing again. Rise out of bed, roll it up with the blend. They say old habits die hard in the end, so it no matter how hard I pretend.
Loud City.
It's Calibots and the movement, yeah. Bobby Hustle, na. Such a clean habit, yeah. Boy. You know I got a habit, it ain't gonna lead nowhere. Except the many leeches and the people with the power, but nobody cares. Cause all I do is sit and dream about drinking and women and music. It's just gonna give me another reason to use and abuse it. But still I gotta, I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. Search for the high grade in a stash. And watch the girl them wind up like me they a calibash. Whoa, feeling so good, couple grams in a me pocket. If you not smoke, that's okay, but don't you knock it. God bless the nation, yet no people have a high grade occupation. Yeah, me say so anytime you see me, when you see me, eyes red up, yeah. It's a habit, not gonna let up. Cause all me really need is a little bit of weed and a woman by my side and a reggae beat, yeah. And I bet you never know until you do it now. Moment coming, tell them how the habits feed down. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. Yeah. I smoke the zip in and out.
Thank you everybody for joining me today for this video. I really enjoyed filming this. It was something different, it was something easy. I enjoyed playing around in makeup, so I hope you got to relax with me today. As always, I will see you next week. I hope you have a wonderful week. Love, light, and really anything you like. Have a great one. Bye.